concept here, absolute maxima or absolute minima. First of all, what is it? Suppose this is the function given. In between a particular interval a to b, suppose in between a particular interval a to b, we have to check what is absolute maxima or what is absolute minima. See here, local maxima can be 2, but absolute maxima will be 1. Means only out of these two, which one is highest will be the maxima, and out of these three, 1, 2 and 3, the minimum value will be the minimum. Let us say this is the point C, D and E. So we have to consider all the 5 points of the given interval also. The function is given, interval is given a to b. So in between the interval you need to find absolute maxima or absolute minima. So method is, first of all, differentiate f dash x. For critical values, put it equal to 0. You will get the critical values like here C, D, E. Arrange all the values in increasing order, like here we got A, C, D, E and B. Consider the intervals also, whatsoever are given, consider the intervals also. So now only one maxima and only one minima you need to find. So find f of a, means this particular point A you put in the given function. Find the value. Find f of C, f of D, f of E and f of b. Find all these values. Out of this, which one is maximum, that will be your absolute maxima at that particular point, and which one is minimum, that will be your absolute minima at that particular point. So this is the concept, a very simple concept. Just differentiate, put it equal to 0, you will get the critical values including the intervals, arrange them in ascending order and just find function, value of function at that particular point. Maxima will be absolute maxima, minima will be absolute minima. Write it down.